Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here in Bangalore again, and we are doing Nexon like top model vehicle modification. We are just installing the rear reflector light, okay, so which will be very good at the at night, and we are doing damping for all the like 4 doors and dicky also. So here we will be removing this part, and we will be doing and including dicky also. So as this is a top model, so every features will be coming in this vehicle. So this is the request given by this customer. So as per his request, we are just inserting damping, and we already put the rear reflector. So I will show you the working view of this light. And you can see damping. This is the owner of this car. So just let him introduce himself and his experience and all. Yeah, please.
Yeah, hi viewers. My name is Gokul Raj, and I'm basically from Kerala. Currently I'm in Bangalore, and I have got the modifications done in Bangalore now, and I had a wonderful experience with Arun bro. Of course, he's a good friend of mine.
Then okay, how is the experience with Skycar? How you deal with, how you got connected and all? If you tell the viewers, it will be helpful for them.
Yeah. So I have been following Skycar and Arun bro both from a very long time, and I was always wondering. I was actually planning a trip to Delhi, in fact, to get modified from Skycar, but coincidentally I asked Arun bro, and it so happened that we met, and we planned it very quickly, and we got the modifications done.
It was very quick, right?
Yeah, it was
so
very
immediately quick. We just interacted, and he did the payment, and we asked the parcel, and parcel also came soon, and we just finally completed here. And how about Rajesh? He's the one man army. He's
Rajesh, I don't have to say anything about Rajesh. He's worldwide famous. All India, I think most of the Nexon owners know him, and he does a very fabulous work. All the work he's doing is very perfect and up to the mark, since he's very much experienced.
Exactly. And what and all modification you have done, you can tell yourself.
Yeah, sure. I'll tell you that. So mainly I have done a couple of light fittings. For example, I have changed the rear reflector lights. That's matrix style reflector lights. Then I was not having rear fog lights. I have installed that as well.
Then you have installed that side scratch guard, right?
Yeah, side scratch guard. Okay. And the main work was I have done damping for all the 5 doors, including dicky.
Yeah. As Mr. Gokul is very much he's a lover of music. So how is damping sound before and after?
Yeah, you can notice a very good difference after damping.
Okay, this is a Harman entry, this is a top model.
Yeah.
So what difference you can feel? You can tell openly.
So there's a very deep clarity in vocals also, and bass also. It has improved drastically.
So damping helps?
Yeah, damping definitely helps.
Okay. Thank you, Gokul. So let me show you the rear fog lamp and rear light. Then after that we can close up this video.
Sure.
Thank you, Gogo.
Yeah, thank you.
திருப்பி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. இது பார்க்கிங் லைட் இண்டிகேட்டர் லைட்